Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Alchem Labs, whether it is a buy at these levels or one should avoid the stock. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Alchem Labs, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. Also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, then kindly take the monthly membership on YouTube. You get all the benefits that Patreon members are getting. And also, if you want WhatsApp membership with the same benefits, you can email me as well. Thank you. Now about the company. Established in 1973, it manufactures and sells pharmaceutical generics, formulations, and you can say nutraceuticals in India. A fast-growing pharma firm, and it is an RX product, includes Clevem 625. This is a very famous, you can say, product that is used in you can say cold and cough, etc. And if there is any problem with the throat or there is infection, there is you can say infection in body. Manufacture formulations for India and US. Products have therapy area of vitamins and nutrients, anti-infective, as I said, gastrointestinal as well. If you look at the financials, these are Q1 numbers. I think the Q2 numbers are out, but when I made the presentation, there were only Q1 numbers, so I'm going with that. The sales went up by around 66% year on year. The profit went up by around 14%. It's virtually a debt-free company, as has been many pharmaceutical companies. There is decent promoter and institutional holding. An ROE of 20% is decent. Operating profit margin is also at 20%. The market cap was 43,000 crores. It has dipped to nearly 40,000 crores at the moment. Now, if you look at the performance, then the stock has not been a top performer. Now, this is, you can say, a cause for concern, and also for, you can say, investors who want to invest 3 to 5 years. These are levels to probably get in. Have been a drag for investors after initial surge. So when it came into the market, it did extremely well for the first couple of years, and now it has not been that of a performer, especially after the surge last year in the summers between April and June. It has really died down. So may consolidate for a few weeks, and numbers have remained steady. So numbers are good. It's not that numbers are extremely bad, but margins are not expanding, and that is where the company needs to work on. And prospects of business to be robust in next few quarters is there. There will be a greater demand as countries open up and world economy opens up. There will be greater demand for their products and medicines, etc., because people will get more aware about their you can say health. And so I think healthcare costs will go up across the board across the world. If you look at the technicals, then stock has consolidated for a while and has declined actually, and now the next support lies around 3300. The stock is around 3500. If you get it around 3400, 3350, those are very good levels to get in. Major upsurge is only going to happen when it crosses around 4000 levels, and any downward move from here will see buying. I think around 3300 there could be more buyers coming in, and the stock may be bought at those levels. So you can buy for long term. I don't think as a trading pick it can be recommended that over the next 2-3 weeks it will perform well. It is on a downtrend on a short term basis. But if you have a 2.5 year view, these are good levels to get in. Maybe you will get around 40% return over the next 2.5 years. I think the reversal should take place around 3300. Have less than 10% positions into such stocks or any stock that you buy into. And pharma may perform well in 2022. I believe that another rally in pharmaceutical is awaited from Jan-Feb 2022 in my opinion. So this was my video on Alchem Labs. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my video straight away when I post it, and kindly support me on Patreon or YouTube. Thank you.